Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nessa. And it's been a long time since, you know, I've been on here.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
A very long time.
We are going to be doing a brow tutorial today. Honey girl, what's the real tea? The real tea is we are not going to be having these kind of brows in 2019 ever again.
Goodbye. Good riddance. See you later.
Is the Colourpop Brow Boss, and this is the shade Brunette. Oh girl, she's looking a little rough. Inner corner of the eyebrows where I'm brushing right now, I like to lift the brow hairs a little bit up, and then starting here from the middle, I like to slowly brush them towards where they should look like they're going. And I like to fix these like that. We're making that defined line. Then you can slowly start making your hair strokes a little bit darker. You want to make your hair strokes a little bit darker where you have like sparse areas. So I would say that looks pretty decent. I went very lightly on here and then I just blended it out with the spoolie. It's best if you go like this with your nose and see where your brow should start. And then you go right here to where your arch will be, and then right here to where it should end. Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. It's really cheap and it's super good. I'd say it's like a good dupe for like the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. And then I usually like to go in with the Beauty Blender and just put the concealer in place without really like rubbing my whole eyebrow. Usually just like pouncing. What I like to do is I like to use some foundation right here. You just blend the rest out with your Beauty Blender. Because it's foundation, so it'll blend in nicely on the top. Sheet pop like a little brow gel, mostly like a clear transparent one will do. And I just like to brush out all the hairs and make them look really nice. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's brow tutorial, and hopefully you guys could practice and try this out on your own. Bye guys.